Make your next event memorable by hosting it here at the Harvey B. Gantt Center for African American Arts and Culture. Located in vibrant Uptown Charlotte, the Gantt Center is a 46,500 square foot, award-winning facility that offers unique spaces, prime for artful celebrations, exquisite receptions, unforgettable weddings, and productive corporate gatherings. Let's briefly overview the building's spaces. Named for the center's founding mothers, the Harperati Grand Lobby features floor-to-ceiling windows with unique earth-tone slate tiling that adds a certain richness to the space. Totaling 2,543 square feet in size, this space accommodates 150 seated or 250 standing. The mezzanine overlooks the grand lobby and offers an intimate reception area. Located on the third floor between the east and west art galleries, this 768 square foot space accommodates 100 standing. Combined with the grand lobby, the mezzanine creates a loft-like ambiance where guests may witness the museum's beauty with unobstructed views. The Performance Suite is a multifaceted space ideal for recitals, film screenings, lectures and talks, and smaller corporate meetings. Also, the Performance Suite is outfitted with state-of-the-art audio-visual equipment to accompany presentations. This 1,397 square foot space accommodates 100 seated, 135 theater style, and 150 standing. The rooftop pavilion features floor-to-ceiling windows with exotic African tigerwood floors, boasting breathtaking city views on most evenings. This space is perfect for hosting luncheons, dinners, receptions, performances, and social gatherings. The rooftop pavilion accommodates 70 guests seated and 150 guests standing. The terrace is a bonus feature of the rooftop pavilion. This outdoor space is nestled within the new urban core of Uptown Charlotte and provides a Manhattan vibe with contemporary office towers from every vantage. The terrace accommodates 150 guests standing. The fourth floor boardroom is an executive suite that seats up to 20 guests in a variety of table, seat configurations. The space is equipped with audio-visual hardware perfect for presentations and virtual conference calls. The space also features a wet bar for coffee, tea, and continental breakfast setup. The Mecca of Digital Arts, MODA for short, is a 1,000 square foot state-of-the-art community studio and innovation lab designed for digital instruction. The space is equipped with computer and audio-visual hardware, perfect for smaller training and continuing education sessions, seminars, panels, and workshops. The space features retractable floor-to-ceiling glass panel doors, a lounge area, a cyclorama wall, and a lighting grid outfitted with aperture fixtures. MODA accommodates 20 guests seated at makerspace tables, 50 guests seated theater style, or 100 guests standing. For inquiries, additional questions, or more information about space rentals here at the Gantt Center, please visit our website at ganttcenter.org or give us a call at 704-547-3700.